So today I just want to briefly share with you how you can make your ruffle art without this brim being wide, too wide. I know you've been making ruffle art in different ways, but today I want to share what I learned. That is how to make the ruffle art that it won't be too wide at this brim. Now let's get started. So you make your magic ring, your regular magic ring, and the way you always make the base of your ruffle hat, you make it to one row left to finish. That is assuming you are making for a baby and you want to make 12 rows. So I did 11 rows. So the 12th row I'll be making what I will be doing. So if you're making and I had like 14-15 rows, so you'll be making 14 rows, and on the 15th row you will make your decrease. Now let's get started. So yarn over and insert your hook. So you won't finish it, so you will finish it off on the second stitch. That is 2 double crochet together. I don't know whether you understand. So I'm reducing on every of the stitches. So watch again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and put through, yarn over and put through 2. Now yarn over and put and insert to the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. So you are making 2 together. Hope you understand. So you are making 2 together instead of making the regular 1 double crochet on every stitches. So this last row before the ruffle, I'll be decreasing every stitch. So I'm done with the last stitch. Now insert your hook and slip stitch into this very first stitch. Now this is what you should have. You can see it looks very small because we decrease on every stitch. Now let's start our ruffle. So for this ruffle, I'll be making 3 double crochet in each stitches. 2 and 3. So I'll be making 3 double crochet in every of the stitch till I get to the last stitch. Now have it in mind that you can make your ruffle anyhow you want, but just follow the procedure of decreasing on the very last stitch before the ruffle. You can make your decrease anyhow you want. You can make your ruffle anyhow you want, but just make sure you decrease at the very last row before the ruffle hat, before the ruffle. So at this point, this is what you should have. Look at how wide it ended up being. Look. So this one won't give you a slacky ruffle hat at the end of the day. Look at how beautiful it is. So now I'll continue my increase for the ruffle. So for this second row, I'll be making 3 double crochet in each stitch again. And on the last row, I'll make 2 double crochet in the last row. So this brings us to the end of this little small tutorial. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.